This is Let's here, and welcome to lesson 45. In this lesson, we will go over selection modes, how to select, and several edit options. So let's begin. First thing is selecting. So let's draw a couple of shapes and make them different colors. Okay. And let's see what selection option we have. First one is all. This is pretty obvious. Then we have all on active artboard. For this, let's make a different artboard. Make sure your moved copy artwork is selected, otherwise you'll run into issues. Okay. Now, once we have all of those selected, let's see what's going on. All on active artboard. Those are selected, but those are not. The next one is deselect and reselect. Inverse. So the ones below are selected, not those ones. Then you got next object above. For this you have to select one of them and select next object above. And you can do the same, obviously. You can also use a shortcut or option, Control, Command, and brackets. Okay. Then you get to choose based on the same appearance. Fill color, so let's make a few copies here. Effect, select, same appearance. So fill color. Sorry. Blending mode, stroke weight, and so on. You've got a pretty filter here. You can also choose to save a selection. So we can save selection here. We can name it. And then we can just use the selection and it will automatically select. Very useful. Now we finished with the selection, and let's go over several edit options. So we have the option to copy, obviously, but you can also paste in front of an object, in back of an object, or in the same place. You can also paste in all artboards. So let's copy first and then paste in all artboards. So if we have multiple artboards, so let's make a copy and we select this one. Everything will paste it everywhere. Obviously very useful. Then we get find and replace. We can find text or replace with, again, it's characters and so on. Then we got the option to check spelling. So if we, let's say, this is very book, and we go to options to check spelling, we can see that it knows, but it gets confused, so we can actually just type it in and change or add if you want to add a word that it doesn't know. The dictionary. Okay, let's see what else. We can also edit colors. I said that that's the last lesson, but let's go quickly. So let's select something. You can choose edit colors and can adjust color balance and so on. This is useful for picture, but I would also just leave it for Photoshop, since that's easier. But if you don't have Photoshop, that's a way to do it. We also have edit custom dictionary and other various settings here. Here I think I got them all. Okay, so we'll move to the next lesson, which is about document preferences. And then the other lesson will be about guides, grids, and so on. Thank you, and see you in the next lesson.